Latest news. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin donated 1,500 ETH to help Ukraine. Russia will not be able to use digital assets to circumvent sanctions. Future Metaverse by Meta. Tesla has teamed up with Jack Dorsey's block and infrastructure company Blockstream to build a Bitcoin mining data center. The European Union imposed the fifth package of sanctions on Russia. Videomeme Coffin Dance sold for 327 ETH. Beacon exchange rate forecast. KuCoin will burn 20 million KCS, 10% of the total supply. The Near Protocol project token rose by 22.7%. Binance has announced that it will support the upgrade and hard fork of the BNB Beacon Chain network. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin donated 1,500 ETH, more than $4.7 at the time of video releasing, to help Ukraine. He sent 2 transfers totaling 750 ETH to the Unchained Ukraine Foundation, which provides humanitarian assistance to Ukrainians. Buterin sent another donation for the same amount to the wallets of the Crypto Fund of Ukraine. All that the co-founder of Ethereum condemned the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Even before the start of the war, he declared that a Russian attack would harm all of humanity. Buterin also said that the war reminded the cryptocurrency community that the purpose of digital assets is to bring real value to people. Russia will not be able to use digital assets to circumvent sanctions. This was stated in an interview with CNN by the head of the Binance Bitcoin exchange, Changpeng Zhao. Governments around the world easily track crypto transactions. Digital assets are not suitable for this. In early March, Binance refused to unilaterally freeze millions of Russian user accounts. Then the CEO of the platform announced his readiness to do this in relation to the accounts of those clients who were on the sanctions list. Changpeng Zhao clarified that he opposes politicians and dictators who start wars, but this should not affect citizens. He emphasized that the decision made does not mean that the Bitcoin exchange supports Moscow's actions. We are not against the people. There are many people on both sides of Ukraine and Russia who are suffering. We want to help these people. Meta, formerly Facebook, is considering creating centralized tokens for its own metaverse. This is reported by the Financial Times. Citing informed sources, the company's fintech division, Meta Financial Technologies, is allegedly studying the launch of a digital currency, which employees of the structure call Zuck Bucks. The interlocutors of the publication called the use of blockchain technology in the tool unlikely. According to them, we are talking about a centralized token like Robux, which circulates in the Roblox metaverse. Now, the team is trying to find the least regulated way to offer a digital currency, with a non-blockchain based digital token becoming the most attractive option. According to the FT, Meta is also considering creating a social or reputation token. According to company memos and words from people familiar with its plans, it is designed to reward users who have made a meaningful contribution to the development of certain Facebook communities. Tesla has teamed up with Block, formerly Square, by Jack Dorsey, and infrastructure company Blockstream to build a Bitcoin mining data center. It is reported by CNBC. A pilot project worth $12 million will be launched in the state of Texas. Block and Blockstream each invested $6 million. The facility will install a 3.8 megawatts photovoltaic solar array and a 12 megawatt-hour megapack energy storage device from Tesla. The hash rate will be 30 picohenries per second. Blockstream co-founder Adam Back told CNBC that the new venture is designed as a proof of concept 100% renewable energy mining for the first cryptocurrency. People like to argue about the various factors involved in Bitcoin mining. We decided let's just prove it. The European Union approved the fifth package of sanctions against Russia because of its invasion of Ukraine. Among the measures taken by the EU is an extended ban on deposits in cryptocurrency wallets and the sale of banknotes and securities denominated in any currency of EU member states to individuals and legal entities from the Russian Federation and Belarus. The European Commission also announced a ban on the provision of large cryptocurrency services in the Russian Federation. The EU document says that this contributes to closing loopholes in the restrictions already in place. New companies, businessmen, officials, and people and family members of previously sanctioned individuals who spread the Kremlin narrative about Russia's military aggression in Ukraine were also sanctioned. In addition, a complete ban on transactions with 4 key Russian banks, which account for 23% of the market share in the Russian banking sector, is being introduced. Ukrainian Foundation Turn Back Alive received a $250,000 donation from the sale of ETH Dancing Undertakers. The popular video meme with Dancing Undertakers Coffin Dance was sold at the auction in the form of an ETH. Part of the funds was sent to the crypto wallet of the Ukrainian charitable foundation Turn Back Alive. The meme was sold for 327 ETH, more than $1 million at the time of releasing. The buyer transferred $250,000 to the Turn Back We Live Fund, which is one of the largest Ukrainian funds to help volunteers and the military. The remaining $500,000 went to the heroes of the video, and $250,000 went to the Ukrainian agency BADS, which took part in the creation of ETH. BTCUSD forecast. Ignoring last week's decline, BTC is still within a short-term uptrend, the resistance of which was not overcome on the first attempt. There is a high probability that this week the rate will reach the level of $40,000. After that, you can expect that Bitcoin will again try to test the resistance in the $48,000, $50,000 region, and upon a successful breakdown, will go to test the important resistance in the $52,000 region. If the dynamic support at $40,000 fails, a decline to the $36,000 region is not ruled out. Our Bitcoin BTCUSD forecast for today, tomorrow, and the week of April 11th to 17th is a test of support for a short-term rising channel in the $40,000 level, with a possible next rebound in growth to the $48,000, $50,000 area for another retest of the resistance level. This material is not financial advice and is for informational purposes only. KuCoin will burn 20 million KCS, 10% of the total supply. The KuCoin team announced this in an updated white paper. In addition, the platform will redistribute and block 32 million KCS to the KCS Management Fund, 18 million KCS to investors, 20 million KCS to token holders and active participants in the ecosystem. KCS is the native token of the KuCoin ecosystem. In 2021, the crypto exchange moved it from the Ethereum blockchain to its own network. Since then, the price of KCS has grown 20 times, from $1 to $21.58 at a peak price of $28.77. The Near Protocol project token has grown by 22.7% over the past day. Capitalization of Near crossed the mark of $12 billion. Over the past 7 days, Near has grown by 38.7%, over 30 days by 88.3%. The asset rose to 16th place in the CoinGecko rating, ahead of the wrapped Bitcoin WITCC. The growth of the coin accelerated after the news that the project raised $350 million from a number of investors. In addition, Barry Silbert tweeted that Near is the third most valuable asset in the portfolio of the digital currency group he leads. Cryptocurrency platform Binance has announced that it will support the upgrade and hard fork of the BNB Beacon Chain network. Thank you for watching. I'm very tired making this video because I have pause, and I would be very happy if you subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. If you dare write that this video has bad voice acting, then remember that I'm a fucking cat, and think again. I love you all, dude.